Let's talk about making pasta. What are the steps in making pasta? Choose which pasta you want to cook. Boil water in a pot. Add pasta to the boiling water. Look on the pasta box for cooking times. Boil pasta and add salt to the water. Drain pasta in a colander. Butter can be a sauce for your pasta. Red sauce can be a sauce on your pasta. Olive oil can be a sauce on your pasta. Pesto can be a sauce for your pasta. Add your pasta to the sauce. Put your pasta in a bowl and add cheese if desired. Time to eat your pasta! Put away any leftover pasta in a container. When you are finished, wash the dishes. Time for questions. Which one is boiling water? What do you use to eat pasta? What do you do before eating? Which box tells you cooking time? What type of sauce is this? What is this person doing? What do you need to drain the pasta? What do you add to the boiling water? What is your favorite sauce? Keywords to learn.